Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey guys, so this might be definitely loud, but you guys want to go for a ride in 44? Let's see if we drive around the block. Just give a little shakedown run and see what happens here. What do you think? Let's do that. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna drive and film, so bear with me here. Alright. You are inside the 40 Ford. Got their trash can back there somewhere. This one-handed thing is not fun. So this is what it's like to drive a 40 Ford. This car is loud and it's got some drone. Temperature gauge, we're sitting just a hair over 180. Car drives good. Got some kick, boys. This car will absolutely pin you in your seat and hold you there. We don't even have a kick out. So anyway, guys, it's a nice little run around the neighborhood. That's about as fast as I want to go in this thing without tires on it. I thought you guys might enjoy that. So there you go. And we're back. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Hope you guys like that.